came out of Richmond. I came from the last video. I was just heading inside Richmond, Virginia. Then I came back in the DC area, little by little. Made my way through Fredericksburg. I took my sweet time and I headed to that nice gym. I'm gonna be right back there tonight because I gotta be there at 10 to take my shower, and then I can go get go to the Walmart in Fredericksburg. That's a good place. Great place. So y'all, you know what I did just now though? YouTube. I took this bicycle here for a little spin. I went to Lake Acatake Park, somewhere in Springfield, Virginia. That's where I'm riding around Annandale actually. Just came back from there. Just go right up Gallows Road. Head to the Seven Corners area. Maybe go down Believe. Gotta go head down to Crystal City tonight. See, the thing is, I have to see my people while I'm here. Like, I know people that are from DC. Okay, I have to go. They know things about bicycles. That's all I gotta say. So I gotta go get my thing fixed up because I don't have Allen tools. I have to raise up the seat post. It's too low. This Walmart bicycle also has other issues, like the whole entire bike is perfect, honestly, but except for the rear wheel. That thing, they put the cheapest possible hub and cassette. Well, the gears are the Shimano is okay on that. The shifters are perfect on that. Great. It shifts excellent. Right from the brand new from the factory. But the wheel though, the issue I'm having with this wheel, I cannot even engage. It has like the freewheel, right? It coasts a little bit. It's a road bike, 21 speed. So you stop pedaling, then it disengages. But then once it disengages, it's difficult as hell to disengage it, to engage it back again, to get it to click back in. It's like a clutch on a car. Bicycle has the same sort of a little thing that clicks while you're coasting. That's what it is. This little what do you call that thing? It's a ratchet. It's like a ratchet strap. That's exactly. It's like a little cam in there. It goes against some teeth inside. Probably something like this. So what I did, I went on a big loop around the lake. Then I got lost. Just cause I have a really old cell phone, you guys. I don't know if you understand, but the whole reason I'm getting lost all the time out here, riding around, even if I'm on my bike, I get lost the same way. You know why? I put on those turn-by-turn directions, and the GPS on this old iPhone 6s Plus, it just doesn't connect properly to these cell phone towers around here. I don't know if it's this new 5G thing or what, but my old 4G LTE doesn't seem to have the GPS capability that it used to have. When it says that I'm going south, I'm really headed north. And that's exactly how I get lost all the time. I don't know what it is with the compass in my phone or something, but it has something to do with the GPS coordinate and a compass internally in the iPhone 6s Plus. That must be how it works. I'm so happy that I refilled my windshield washer wiper fluid. It's so moist now. It's so juicy. Look at this. Drip, drip. And then I can see clearly. It keeps falling, dripping down though. Annandale's filled with long lights. What's up with that? What's up with that Little River Turnpike? Just trying to head from Backlick Road to Gallows Road. Or Annandale Road. I mean, I'm not headed to Gallows Road, although that would be a good way to get down to Crystal City. I actually exchanged the Gold's Gym membership I had down in Merrifield for the one I had in Fredericksburg. I only need one of those though. Apparently they don't let you have multiple. they told me to they forced me to. I have to go get like a 24-hour Planet Fitness. This is what I have to do. Just when I'm in DC. Have to have a way to take a shower out here. That's why I have to go to Fredericksburg. Unless I'm willing to like find a gym out here. I'm trying to find a fancier, like a nice premium membership to some kind of place out in DC. Like Gold's has everything I need out in Fredericksburg, but I'm not going to be in Fredericksburg 100% of the time. I don't even know if I'll live out that way. There's no way I could even find any affordable. All the apartment rental, it's over $1,300 a month. I cannot afford this because you add the utilities to that, and that's more than my paycheck. I cannot do this. It's more than my income. So it would be unsustainable. I would run out of money. I would go broke living there. Who knows how long that would take? It would probably take a couple of years actually. I have a lot. Yo, I'm wealthy. I'm the richest hobo in DC. Yeah, I have a bicycle. I have a nice bicycle back here. Check out my nice bicycle, you guys. Look at this. I took it on a maiden voyage out around Lake Akating. Well, at first, I'm just lying. You know, at first I went to historic Occoquan. It's a little town, just to test out to make sure that it would even fit. It's just about identical to my old road bike, so it's a good replacement bicycle. The 700C shape of the frame, I love it. It's my life. I need it so bad. What is it with these long lights on Little River Turnpike? I'm still here. I've been here the whole time though. Oh, here we go. Okay, dude.